In this video I'll be discussing question set number 47, and to answer this question set I'll be using the same database that I created in question set number 44. And in this question set I've been given 6 questions, and as a first question I've been told to add a column into the teacher table and name it teacher reg, and to do this I've been told to use DDL query and also make sure that that column is set to not null. So to answer this question I'm going to first go to a MySQL command line, and over here I'm going to first start by typing alter table, and after that I need to give the name of the table. Now since I need to add a column to the teacher table, I need to give the name of the teacher table, and after that I need to type add, and after that then I need to give the name of the column that I'm about to add, which is teacher underscore reg, and after that I need to give the data type, which is varchar, and I'll give it a data length of 15, and also I need to set this to not null. So now if I execute this I'll be getting a message like this. Now to make sure if this column has been added, I can type select all from teacher and execute this, and over here we can see that in this teacher table at the end there is a empty column, and there's nothing in that for now. So that will be the answer for the first question. And now in the second question I've been told that in the teacher table that you have created you need to enter the following data in the newly added teacher ID column. Create the required DDL query. It is mandatory to write DDL query to enter all the data. Okay, so to do this I'm going to first go to command line and then type the insert query that I need to enter data into this column. So I need to begin by typing insert into teacher, and after that in between the brackets I need to mention the column that I'm going to add data into. But to do that I cannot use an insert query. Instead I need to use update query. So I need to erase this and then type update teacher set, and after that type the column teacher underscore reg, and after that I need to give the registration number, which is RETA, and after that underscore, and after that I need to tell which teacher row to update. So for that I need to first use the where clause, and then type teacher ID, teacher ID equals 1, and now if I execute this I'll be getting an alert like this that says query OK. So now if I want to check if this data has been added into the table, I can type select asterisk from teacher, and then execute this. And over here you can see that the data that I just added has been shown over here. So just like that, I need to add the rest of the data. So after adding the rest of the data, now I can check if this teacher table has been fully updated. So to do that, I can type select asterisk from teacher and then execute that. And now here you can see that the rest of the data has been added. So that will be the answer for question number 2. And now in question number 3, I've been told that in the student table that I created, I need to add another column called student index, student underscore index, and I've been told to use DDL queries for that. So to do that, I'm going to first again go to command line, and after that type alter table, and after that mention the table name, student, and after that type add, and then give the name of the column that I want to add, student underscore index. And after that, what I can do is I can add the data type varchar, and I'll give that 15, and after that I need to set it as not null. And now if I execute this, I'll be getting an alert like this. So now to check if this column has been created, what I can do is type select asterisk from student. Now if I execute this, here you can see that in the student table a new column has been added, and at the moment there is no data in it. So that means that query was alright, and that will be the answer for question number 3. And now in question number 4, I've been told to add data into that column that I just created. So to do that, I'm going to again go to command line, and first I'm going to type the update query for that. So I need to type update student, and after that I need to type set, and after that student index equals, and after that I need to give this index numbers. After that I need to tell where to update it. So in this I need to update it where the student ID is 1. Now if I execute that, I'll be getting an alert like this. So now to check if this has been updated, all I need to do is type select asterisk from student, and now here you can see that the first data has been added into this column. So just like that I need to and now after adding the rest of the data, now I can check if this data has been added. Again I need to type select asterisk from student, and here we can see that the rest of the data has been added except for the last one. So to add that I need to type update student set index equals rstu underscore 006, where student ID equals 6. And now if I execute this and then type select asterisk from student and execute it again, here we can see that the last data has also been added. So that will be the answer for question number 4. And now in question number 5, I've been told that all the grade 9 teachers in the school teach one or more subjects, and to store that data, add the following data into the user as subject table. So to do that, I'm going to first go to command line again, and then over here I'm going to type insert into teacher as subject as subject, and after that I need to give the two column names, which is subject underscore ID and after that teacher ID, and after that I need to set the values. The first one will be 1, the second one also will be 1. So now if I execute this, I'll be getting a alert like this that says query OK. So now to check if this data has been added into the table, I can type select asterisk from teacher as subject, and here we can see that the first data has been added. So just like that, I need to add the rest into this table. So after adding the rest of the data, I'll be getting alerts like this under each query. So now to see if the data has been added into that table, I can type again select asterisk from teacher underscore has subject, and here we can see that all the data has been added. So that will be the answer for the 5th question. And so that's all I've been told to do in the 47th question. So that's all for this video.